Today we're going to bring a tea infuser, and if you guys are not familiar with it, this is a very simple device. All you got to do is put your tea in here, and because it has a fine mesh, if you guys can see, it's going to soak up to your water. Just make sure you're doing warm water to infuse it and make it a little bit taste a little bit better. Add your ingredients outside, like honey or anything, not in through here, or you're going to infuse that too, and it's going to retain it. Now they do give you a little tiny little brush. It's like a little baby brush to actually brush any kind of little small little items in here. It's stainless steel. They give you a cloth and the whole system itself along with a cap, so in case you're walking around with it, you won't spill anything. So let's put it to use. So we just got our tea here. We put in some green tea. All right, we're gonna grab our glass here. So first thing you have to do is make sure you put your ingredients in there. Hot water's already in there. All right, so we're gonna grab our honey, a little bit of honey. You could put your lemon if you want, but people love a little twist of honey in there. Put our honey in here. Mix it around in the water first. Don't put it in here because it's gonna fusion with it, not fusion with the right process. All right, you put your lemon and your honey on it separate. Once you have that in there, you're gonna go ahead and put your tea. That's what the cloth is here for. You put the thing in there. We're gonna put in the actual cover in there, and look at all that. All right, and now you got to do is close it in there, mix it around, make sure that the water is hitting all the way to the top. Move it around if you want, or just if you're gonna walk around with it, make sure you put your cover on it. This is, look at the tea, green tea going on there already. And then, like I said, if you're not getting enough, you can always pour some more water from the top. You're not gonna get any of the leaves in your tea, and you can drink it straight out. So leave it there for a couple of minutes. And this fits pretty much on any cup size. And it has these, so it won't fall through the bottom. It stays fixed on the top. Easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.